Welcome to the HR Management System. This platform streamlines employee management, payroll, attendance, and more. Let's start with the dashboard section, where you can track key metrics, employee data, and system insights in a user-friendly interface. Get ready for an efficient HR experience. The dashboard offers a quick view of announcements, attendance logs, weekly holidays, upcoming birthdays, anniversaries, and leave records, ensuring HR and employees stay informed and improving organizational efficiency. The department section in the HR management system allows HR to add and update as per company requirements. This ensures efficient department management, organized employee allocation, and a structured workflow within the organization. The system allows dynamic email format creation for customized communication. The holiday management section helps HR manage company holidays efficiently. The role module assigns designations and permissions, ensuring employees access only authorized features based on their roles when logging in. The special module permission feature allows assigning exclusive access to employees with special privileges, ensuring only authorized personnel can use specific modules, enhancing security and role-based access control within the system. In the announcement module, HR can add, edit, and delete announcements based on organizational needs. Announcements are managed date-wise, ensuring timely communication and keeping employees informed about important updates and events. The Organization Asset module helps manage company assets efficiently, providing a quick overview for hassle-free tracking, allocation, and maintenance, ensuring proper asset utilization and streamlined management within the organization. The Holiday Working Request feature allows employees to request leave adjustments for holidays worked. HR can manage these requests effectively, ensuring accurate leave records and smooth leave management. This system helps maintain proper attendance and holiday compensation tracking for employees. The Company Document Management module allows secure storage, organization, and easy access to important documents, such as contracts and policies. The Employee Management module efficiently tracks employee details, including roles, attendance, leave, performance, and payroll, ensuring smooth HR operations and effective management of the workforce within the organization. The Finance Management module provides comprehensive tools to handle various aspects of employee compensation and financial records. It allows HR to define and manage salary structures, ensuring accurate pay calculations based on roles and responsibilities. The module also facilitates tax declarations, enabling employees to submit and update tax-related information. Travel requests can be submitted by employees for approval, and HR has the ability to approve or reject travel requests, managing business expenses efficiently. Additionally, the module generates salary slips for employees and manages payroll to ensure timely salary disbursements, accurate tax calculations, and streamlined financial management within the organization. The system manages both hard and soft copy documents, ensuring secure storage and easy retrieval. It also handles paid and unpaid leave, allowing HR to track and approve requests. Paid leave is deducted from the balance, while unpaid leave is recorded separately, ensuring accurate leave and payroll management. The additional leave module includes features for leave reversal and reliever leave, allowing HR to manage and track leave adjustments. It also generates reliever leave reports for efficient record keeping and decision-making. The system allows HR to add and edit organizational policies, ensuring up-to-date guidelines for employees and consistent company practices. The system allows HR to manage company rules, schedule meetings, track attendance, and record minutes for effective communication and decision-making. The system manages job openings, allowing HR to post and track vacancies. It also streamlines the interview process, scheduling interviews, tracking candidate progress, and ensuring smooth recruitment and selection for new hires. The system handles resignation management, allowing employees to submit resignations, track approval statuses, and ensures smooth transition processes. The system enables stationery management, tracking inventory, usage, and procurement of office supplies to ensure efficient resource allocation and availability. The system manages inventory and stationery item requests, allowing employees to submit requests, track approvals, and ensure timely supply replenishment. The system allows users to view their profile across different sections. It includes an edit functionality for updating personal details and a change password option for maintaining account security and privacy. The system provides an organization structure view with roles like super admin, sub-admin, and employee, ensuring effective global-level management and hierarchical access control. Thank you for watching. We are happy to engage and collaborate with you, providing solutions to enhance your organization's